Hello friends, just want to say hello. I want to tell you about this project I'm working on. It is the Parkinson's Regeneration Online School. Parkinson's Regeneration Training Online is going to be released on April 15th. It is a massive resource. You know, 3.5 years ago we started as a 7-hour, one-day course. Now we're at 2 full days, plus we send out 4 hours of video beforehand, and we're growing from there. So, I want to tell you about this course, alright? So I've been doing a lot of recording here today in my home office. Alright, so $249, that's $100 off what we will be charging in a couple of weeks. $249 gets you lifetime access to the course, including all additions, all expansion, everything, okay? That's it. One time, you're in forever. Lifetime access. Grow with us, learn with us, expand with us, okay? It also, I want to say that your registration fee goes 100% towards ParkinsonGlobalProject.org, because my nonprofit that I founded is going to be funding research, because we need to prove so many things to try to bridge that gap between where stuff is lacking and functional life. Is a big gap. And you get half off all live 2 or more day workshops or summits that I put on, all right? And last but not least, you get a 1-year free membership to the Physio Change Education website. Okay? 1 year free. If you already paid for it, we'll extend it 1 year. Alright, so we hope you sign up at prtonline.org, because we're going to make your head spin. I promise. Life-changing experience. Your head will spin. And thank you for watching. I hope you'll join us and take advantage of this $249 offer just for a couple more weeks. Have a great day.